Do you ever feel like your money disappears faster than you can earn it? You're not alone. But what if I told you there are simple, actionable steps to save $1,000 faster than you think? Yes, $1,000. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, a vacation, or just peace of mind, stick with me because, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to make it happen. Let's dive in. Number 1. Mindset shift. First, saving money starts with a mindset shift. If you think saving is painful or impossible, it'll feel that way. Instead, think of saving as paying yourself first. Every dollar you save is a step closer to your goals, your dreams, and your freedom. Action step number 1. Set a goal. Write it down. Why do you need $1,000? Be specific. Is it for an emergency fund, debt repayment, or something fun? When you give your goal a purpose, it becomes easier to stick to it. Example. Write. I will save $1,000 in 3 months to create a safety net for unexpected expenses. Number 2. Track your spending. You can't save money if you don't know where it's going. So, here's the truth bomb. Track every dollar. Action step number 2. Audit your spending. Pull up your last 30 days of bank statements. Categorize every expense into essentials, like rent, groceries, and non-essentials, like takeout, subscriptions, or that late-night Amazon spree. You might be surprised by how much you're spending on things that don't matter. That's your goldmine for savings. Example. I once realized I was spending $100 a month on coffee. That's $1,200 a year. Cutting back doesn't mean giving it up entirely. Instead, I started making coffee at home for 10 cents a cup. Number 3. Cut back smartly. Now that you know where your money's going, it's time to make some cuts. Don't worry, we're not cutting out all the fun. Action step number 3. Identify 3 to 5 quick wins. Here are some common areas where people overspend. 1. Subscriptions. Cancel the ones you don't use. 2. Eating out. Limit takeout to once a week. 3. Impulse buys. Pause and ask yourself, do I really need this? Example. Let's say you cancel a $15 subscription, cut back on $50 worth of takeout, and save $20 by skipping 2 impulse buys. That's $85 saved in a week. Number 4. Create a budget that works. Budgeting doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. Think of it as your roadmap to freedom. Action step number 4. Use the 50-30-20th rule. Here's how it works. 50% for needs, like rent, groceries, bills. 30% for wants, like eating out, Netflix. 20% for savings and debt repayment. If your spending doesn't align, tweak it until it does. Example. Let's say you earn $3,000 a month. Under this rule, $600 goes directly to savings. At that rate, you'll save $1,000 in less than 2 months. Number 5. Find extra cash. What if I told you there's hidden money in your life right now? Let's find it. Action step number 5. Sell unused items. Look for things you no longer use, clothes, electronics, even furniture. Example. Selling your old gaming console could bring in $200. That's 20% of your goal right there. Action step number 6. Side hustles. If you're serious about hitting your goal fast, consider a side hustle. Ideas for side hustles. 1. Freelancing like writing, graphic design. 2. Ride sharing or food delivery. 3. Selling handmade crafts online. Even earning $50 a week adds up to $200 a month. Number 6. Automate your savings. Saving shouldn't feel like a chore. That's where automation saves the day. Action step. Set up automatic transfers. Pick a savings account and set up automatic transfers on payday. Example. If you transfer $50 a week, you'll hit $1,000 in just 20 weeks without even thinking about it. There you have it. A beginner's guide to saving $1,000 fast. Let's recap. 1. Set your goal. 2. Track your spending. 3. Cut back smartly. 4. Use the 50-30-20th rule. 5. Find extra cash. 6. Automate your savings. Remember, saving isn't about deprivation. It's about giving yourself more choices and peace of mind. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs it. Don't forget to subscribe for more actionable money tips. Until next time, take control of your finances and build the life you deserve.